Add quarter cup hot water to a bowl. Then you're going to add 1 teaspoon instant coffee. Now you're going to stir it and add 1 cup of milk. After adding the milk, you're going to add quarter cup of oil. Add 3/4 cup of sugar, or add sugar to your taste. Give it a good stir so that all the ingredients will be fully combined. I am going to sieve the dry ingredients. So first, I am going to add 2 cups of all-purpose flour, quarter cup of Dutch processed unsweetened cocoa powder, 2 teaspoons baking powder, and half a teaspoon of salt. Now I'm going to use a whisk to combine all the ingredients together. Once the ingredients are fully combined, you should stop mixing so that you do not overmix the batter. Add 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 tablespoon white vinegar. I poured the white vinegar directly on the baking soda so that the baking soda and the vinegar will react, and this will help the cake to rise. Afterwards, you're going to stir it. Then you're going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Now I'm going to transfer my butter into my greased cake tin. I'm using an 8-inch cake tin. I grease it with some oil. You could also add your parchment paper. So now pour your butter into it. Then you're going to shake to remove air bubbles. Then you're going to place it into your prepared oven and you're going to bake for 40 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. A toothpick inserted into the center of your cake and it comes out clean shows that your cake is baked. After the cake cools down, clear the edges and remove it from the cake tin. Gently turn over your cake onto the other side. Now I'm going to add some melted chocolate on top of the cake. Then I'm going to use a spatula to spread it all over the top of the cake and at the sides. Use a clean cloth or paper towel to clean the edges of the plate. After I finish cleaning the plate, I am going to place the cake into the refrigerator for about 5 minutes or until the chocolate sets. After you remove your chocolate cake from the refrigerator, you can add cherries on top, you can add grated chocolate, you can add chocolate chips, anything you like to add. Or if you want to leave it just like that, it's still delicious. So here I'm adding a few cherries on top of mine. Now I am going to cut a slice and let you see how moist it is. Please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos. Please tell a friend and let a friend tell a friend what's happening over here so they can come over and subscribe and turn on their post notification bell and be a part of this awesome family. Now guys, this chocolate cake, it is so soft, it is so moist and it's delicious. So please do give this recipe a try and please give me your feedback. And please give me a big thumbs up because I know you guys enjoy this recipe. Thanks for watching.